Please watch the lesson 1 and lesson 2 videos by clicking the links in description portion. Let us consider following details in these videos: cement manufacturing, cement chemistry, hydration process, setting versus hardening, initial and final setting time, concrete strength, cube strength, cylinder strength. This is a summary of previous lessons that already discussed. Cement manufacturing process. It is the simple outline of cement manufacturing process. Limestone and clay are grinding and mixing, then heated in rotating kiln, forming clinker. The clinker are ground and add gypsum, become a cement powder. Lime is the composition of calcium carbonate or calcium oxide. Clay is the composition of silica, alumina, iron oxide, etc. Both are reacted at temperature 1350 to 1550 degrees Celsius and form clinker. Again, clinker are ground and add gypsum, become a cement powder. This is the main component of fresh cement, tricalcium silicate, and others. Others are dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, tetracalcium aluminoferrite. This is the main component, tricalcium silicate. Cement factory. Sum of cement chemistry notation: calcium oxide C, not carbon, silica S, alumina A, iron oxide F, H2O water H, not hydrogen. These are the components exist in fresh cement: tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, tetracalcium aluminoferrite, and others also. Hydration process of cement. Chemical reaction occurs between cement and water. It causes hardening the concrete or cement paste. Tricalcium silicate plus water become calcium silicate hydrate plus lime plus heat. This is the main equation of hydration process. Setting versus hardening of cement. Plastic state of cement paste become rigid state called as setting. Setting of cement paste or setting of concrete. Gain of strength of set cement paste or concrete called as hardening or hydration. Final setting time of ordinary Portland cement is 10 to 12 hours. 40% of strength achieved in 3 days. 65% of strength achieved in 7 days. 100% of strength achieved in 28 days for OPC cement. Initial setting time versus final setting time. Duration between water is added to cement and cement paste starts losing its plasticity called as initial setting time. For OPC cement, ordinary Portland cement, 30 to 45 minutes. Duration between water is added to the cement and cement paste completely loses its plasticity called as final setting time. Normally for OPC cement, ordinary Portland cement, 10 to 12 hours, half day. Compressive strength of concrete. In Sri Lanka, India, Britain, etc., concrete pouring mold made as cube shape and crushed by testing machine at 28 days. This particular example, concrete cube compressive strength is 21.2 Newton per millimeter square or 21.2 megapascal. Cube compressive strength is 21.2 megapascal. In previous example, we can say this concrete C20 in British Sri Lanka, etc., M20 in India, C16 or C16/20 in Europe, Y16, okay, discuss later. In Europe and USA, concrete pouring mold made as cylindrical shape and crushed by testing machine at 28 days. This particular example, cylinder strength is equal to 20.82 megapascal. We can say this concrete C20 in Europe because we consider cylindrical strength, or C20/25 in Europe, Y25. Okay, we will discuss next slide. Indirectly, we can say C25 in Sri Lanka because consider cube strength, M25 in India. Practically, both cylinder strength and cube strength values are not same for same concrete and situation. Most of the statistics shows cylinder strength approximately equal to 0.8 into cube strength. Example, cylinder strength is equal to 20 megapascal, then cube strength is equal to 20 over 0.8 is equal to 25 megapascal. We can say this concrete C20/25 grade. Concrete strength indicated in Eurocode 2. Nowadays most of the country follow the Eurocode 2. This is the cylinder strength, this is a cubic strength. Cylinder strength, cube strength. This is a 90 is the cylinder strength, 105 cube strength.